What up, y'all? All right, I'm gonna keep this short and simple. It's 70 degrees out today, surprisingly. Yesterday it was freezing, so I didn't get a chance to ride, but today it's nice and it might rain. So we're gonna head out real soon. I gotta go to the post office. So I figured it'd be the perfect opportunity to take the ZX out. Got her all ready. And then when we come back, we're gonna be putting these decals on the wife's bike. Stay tuned. I still can't get over how good this thing sounds. Just gotta let this thing warm up real quick, which luckily it's warm out, so it ain't gonna take long, but let the idle die down. We're ready to go. A little burnout. Man, it's been a little while. This thing feels so good though. The clutch feels so much more softer since I lubed up the cables. Tons of breeze. I woke up so late, but I was up really late too though, so we don't have that much longer until the girls get out of school, and we're kind of fighting against rain, so kind of beating the odds. So since I'm running no mirrors, I was actually looking into mounting like a little screen up here and putting a camera in the back so I can actually see behind me at red lights. I mean, I guess I could put the mirrors back on. I just hate how they look, man. And I really don't use them besides at red lights. I mean, I always just look over my shoulder. And there's a train. We going the other way, boys, and my hoodie straps are flapping. I could definitely tolerate this muffler way more than the freaking eBay one, man. That thing was screaming. I couldn't do it. Literally, my ears are ringing on the highway. I don't know what this is, but it's a little slick. hoodie strings, man. I always forget about them, always. Tuck away this string. Oh, away you string. Nope, didn't fix the issue. Meat. Like some rain up there. Not good. I'm just glad it's warm out. Oh my gosh, this freaking hoodie string has got to go. Yeah, when we get there, I cannot forget about this thing. Like tick, 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 tick. Of course, I can't feel shit with my gloves on. There you are. Tuck away, man. Dang, I think it's that school bus smoking up there. Smell it. Maybe I can fix my strings right now. Fuck. Shit is annoying. Whatever. I don't even care right now. Some POV in the city. Oh, I can't wait to get this thing tuned, man. I hate the throttle. Literally, it's like on off. So that's the biggest thing with the tune, is it smooths it out. It's not just an on off thing. I guess this is where we depart. I'm just kidding. So yeah, we're dropping off a shipment of something that I do make and sell. It is Lego Speed Champion wheels, Lego Technic wheels. So if you guys are interested, I'll put up a couple clips of what I produce with the 3D printer. I also make the low profile tires for them as well. So if you guys are interested, hit me up. Oh yeah, I smell it. Maybe I can fix my strings right now. Fuck. Shit is annoying. Whatever. I don't even care right now. Of course, it's stuck to my glove. Some POV in the city. Oh, I can't wait to get this thing tuned, man. I hate the throttle. Literally, it's like on off. So that's the biggest thing with the tune, is it smooths it out. It's not just an on-off thing. I guess this is where we depart. I'm just kidding. So yeah, we're dropping off a shipment of something that I do make and sell. It is Lego Speed Champion wheels, Lego Technic wheels. So if you guys are interested, I'll put up a couple clips of what I produce with the 3D printer. I also make the low profile tires for them as well. So if you guys are interested, hit me up. Crazy how this thing idles completely different since doing the valves. Sounds like a whole different bike. I mean, we do got the Yoshiumura on there now, so of course it's going to sound a little different, but man, this on-off throttle, I can't wait to freaking tune this thing, man. This on-off is horrible. I go to some country road, back roads, get some top speed in this thing. Wow, freaking dust storm. ticks. Them valves were so tight. Oh man, this on-off throttle is killing me. I'm gonna try to adjust the cables to see what I can do about it, but man, at low RPMs, low speeds, this on-off shit is annoying. Damn, that train's still there. Yeah, we're gonna go a different way. What the heck? Whole swarm of bugs. Just gonna make a Yui. Man, what? Oh, it's the street sweeper. That's what the slickness is. Found out earlier, I guess. The boys. Yeah, we're not gonna pull out in front of them because we have no insurance. Play it safe. I should probably put insurance on back on the bike. Say the steering dampener made a hell of a difference on this bike. It just feels so stiff, so firm. There ain't no way we're getting wobbles. Yeah, I feel a little better behind the boys than in front. I just realized in my video I said this thing had 14,000 miles. This thing's almost at 16,000 miles. I mean, 2K isn't going to make that big of a difference, but I was wrong. Man, Mogi smells so freaking good. Man, he got that good barbecue. All right, it's time to go home. Go put some decals on the wife's R3. Can't get over how good this thing sounds. Open header is the way to go. Well, not open headers, but full header exhaust. Previously, with the gutted cat, stock headers, but full new exhaust definitely opened it up. Dog's gonna go nuts. Shut up. Shut up, Penny. What the fuck's he pacing back and forth for? Oh, he wants to play. He wants to play. Ugh. About to sell the 500, man.